Herbert Peabody and the Cubby House Garden. Hey, it's Herbert Peabody. We're going somewhere special today. To Herbert Peabody's Cubby House. We're planting a Cubby House garden. Hooray! We go to the plant shop and get a trolley. There are so many pots to see. Herbie plays hide and seek as we explore the plant nursery. Rosemary will grow well in our Cubby House garden. Let's choose some flowers to feed the bees too. These mandarin trees will give us fruit. Now back at Herbie's cubby, there's work to do. Pull out the weeds from all around and give them to the chickens for a yummy treat. We place the pots around Herbie's cubby house, positioning them nice and neat. We sweep the dirt off the stairs. It's time to put soil in our first pot. We dig a big hole in the soil to make room for the tree roots to grow a lot. We pat down the soil so our tree stands strong. Now we get the rosemary ready to go. We tease the roots carefully to spread them out. This will help our rosemary grow. Now we plant some native flowers. To help our local insects and bees. Native plants thrive in their local environment. And it seems our first visitor agrees. Welcome to our Cubby House garden. Everyone is welcome to come over and play. Let's celebrate our work with a teapot tea and plan our next adventure day.